Yo, my YouTube viewers and subscribers, it's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm back. I'm back, people. I know I've had a good little break. I've been away for like over a year. However, I'm back. So, yeah. Um, I've seen you all messaging me, asking me questions. I was always replying and everything. But I was never really uploading because I was really busy, getting on with everyday life, people. But yeah, I'm back for you all. So anyway, I'm not gonna go into it all. Just know that I'm back and I'll be uploading videos again. And also, I'm over on TikTok now as well. I have the same username as my YouTube channel, The Real Android Doctor, over on TikTok. I will try leave a link somewhere. Down in the comment section down here somewhere, and you can all follow me on TikTok. That's where I'll be going live, and that's where I'll be uploading lots of videos as well. So yeah, I just thought I'd explain all that to you all. Anyway, I've got a new phone. This is an entry-level mid-range type phone. It's the Motorola G85, and I have it in the urban grey color. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox it and show you all what comes in the box. I'm going to show you how the phone looks. This phone cost me it's £200 from Argos UK, but they've got a little sale going on now and it's reduced to £189. And like I said, guys, this phone is actually really good. If you're looking for a mid-range phone for a cheap price, so here's some specifications on the box. It has a 50 megapixel main camera and it's a Sony Litia 600 with a 6.67 inch endless edge OLED display. So yeah, let's cut the box open and take a look. It also has the Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 3 processor and Dolby Atmos as well. Okay, so let's take the phone out of the sleeve. Okay, so the good thing about this phone, it actually comes with a case fresh out of the box. Well done, Motorola. So this actually saves me from having to buy a case. So fresh out of the box, the phone is already protected. So once again, well done, Motorola. All right, let's just put the phone to the side and have a look and see what else comes in the box. So there's a few little leaflets there, user manual, SIM ejector tool, and also a USB 3.0 Type-C cable. There's no charging brick, but I believe I have an old charging brick laying around somewhere, so I will be able to charge the phone. So let me just blow this off. There's a bit of dust on there. Okay, so this is the back of the phone. So as you can see, the main camera is a 50 megapixel camera. And the secondary camera there is an 8 megapixel camera. And the front facing camera is a 32 megapixel front facing camera. And the phone itself feels really light. I'm not gonna lie, it feels really light. Feels really nice to hold in the hand. It's nice and slim. As you can see, and it has that edge to edge curved display. and it's a 1080p display. And as you can see, what I like about this camera system, this whole camera setup, it has this nice gold accent going around the lenses there at the back, as you can see. And there you have the flash. You have the Motorola logo there on the back. And here on the side, I believe that's the volume up and down rocker. So you can turn up the volume, turn it down, and that's the power button. Let me just wipe the screen. It doesn't come with a screen protector applied, so I'm gonna have to get a screen protector. Can order one from Amazon. Down here at the bottom, we have the stereo speaker there, the charging port, and also the SIM tray there. So there's the SIM tray, charging port, and the speaker grill. Up here at the top, it says Dolby Atmos. I'm just trying to focus the camera, guys. Hold on a second. Yeah, so I'm trying to focus in, guys, but here it says Dolby Atmos on the top. And underneath, if you look ever so closely, you can see there's a lot of information engraved underneath on the phone. Sorry guys, my camera just simply is not focusing. But like I said, if you look, you can see it. It's a bit blurry, but you can see it. Okay, so let me just see if there's any juice. See if I can set it up. So we've got the Hello Moto there, powered by Android. So that's the boot screen, boot animation, whatever you like to call it. And I think fresh out of the box, this phone is running Android 14, which will be upgraded to Android 15. But you know, with Motorola phones, Motorola's pretty slow with updates, so probably gonna have to wait a good while before we see Android 15 on this phone. But yeah, guys, look at the phone. The design is wonderful. It's very beautiful. Look. And it feels premium. Trust me, it has this nice premium feel to it. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's just go through the setup process real quick. And I'll take you all into the user interface and show you what's going on. All right, back in a moment, guys. Okay, so I've just connected to the Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna set everything up real quick. But like I says at the beginning of the video, guys, if you're looking for a nice, cheap, entry-level to mid-range device, this is definitely a phone to consider. The Motorola G85. Oh, I also forgot to mention it has 12 gigabytes of RAM that can be extended to 24 gigabytes using the RAM booster. Yeah, it has a RAM booster feature where you can actually extend the RAM from 12 gigabytes to 24 gigs. You can also use a micro SD card as well. You can use up to 1 terabytes as well. So you can add an additional 1 terabytes of storage to this phone. Okay, which search engine shall I use? Google. Yep. Set that as the default. Okay, so I've just finished setting it up. So I'll go to the home screen. I'm just going to put the phone into the case for now. So yeah, this is it. We're here on the user interface, the home screen. So if you swipe up, you have access to all your applications. So these are all the pre-installed applications. So there's quite a few games on there: Monopoly, Ball, Sort Puzzle. There's Booking.com. There's just a bunch of pre-installed applications, Solitaire, Temu, all that stuff. But I'm going to uninstall most of these. So if you just long press on it, you can just select uninstall and uninstall most of these applications. So like I said, just long press on any application that you want to uninstall and just swipe and select uninstall. And that will also help to free up more storage on the phone. Okay, so let me just check something and just see. I'm sure it's Android 14 that this phone is running, fresh out the box. Okay, so about phone. Hold on a second. Okay, so 12 gigabytes of RAM. And you have all the camera information there. 32 megapixel camera. That's the front facing camera like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Also the rear camera is 50 megapixel and you have a secondary 8 megapixel camera there. And the display is 1080p. Okay, so I'm just gonna check the Android version. Okay, so there's the Android version. So it's Android 14, fresh out of the box. And the storage, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, is 256 gigabytes. So yeah, guys, that's it for the unboxing video. Like I says, please follow me over on my TikTok page. It's The Real Android Doctor over on TikTok. I'll try to leave a link so you guys can click the link and just follow me instantly. That's where I'm going to be uploading a lot of my new videos. Okay? So see you all in the next one. I'll be making a lot of videos on this phone. I'm not sure if there's any custom ROMs for this phone yet. So I'm going to have to check out the development over on XDA. If there's a lot of development going on, I will definitely be routing this phone and showing you how to flash some custom ROMs onto this device. But yeah, that's it guys for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm back. I'm out. Deuces.